Oh, he was
Okay, we're about to give Tibbet some Swedish fish. Oh my gosh, gotta watch this. He's not doing it!
Oh, give him another one.
Hold on, let's try this again.
Let's not give him too much. So.
Round 2.
There you go.
Yes! Look at it! Look at it!
No, you think about it.
Oh, that's disgusting. Yeah, Tibbet. Yeah, baby.
That's great. And his tongue, look, his tongue is still going. Look at that.
And he's still going.
Oh,
look at baby. Yes. Got them both going. And he's still going. Do you see that?
This is a while for him.
All right. I love you too.